Hello guys, I welcome you all to my channel. So I'm going to share three stocks that are looking good bullish for the next few days, or maybe it can take few weeks, but are looking good. So here you can see it started giving bullish moves and retracement with small candles. Again a bullish move, give the breakout from this pattern. A bullish belt hold candlestick pattern is this. So volume was also good, not that bad. Yes, from the last previous few days. So again it retested this level, resistance line, again formed green candle bullish move 1.67%. Then again here it formed a hammer pattern which gave me conviction. And again here you can see the day it opened come up. It made a bullish move. Yes, volume was not good that day. So I took half position here, and when the next day it crossed this candle's high, then again I added more quantity and see the volume. Yes, it was good. And if it has not closed like this, or maybe it can then go up, it's not an accurate one, but somewhat like three white soldiers, So yeah, it gave retracement last 2 days. Today it formed again a hammer candle, and if this has broke, then yes, we can see these levels. It is 880 and then 888. So that's quite well. Then if it is crossed 888, 889 levels, then we directly may witness like 920 to 930. Yes, in this zone we may see ICTC. So yes, the next stock is HL. Here we can see it break this resistance, then a good move. Yes, almost like 23%, and then consolidation sideways to downtrend downside. Then again here we can see volume start increasing, and the candles, look at the candles, bullish candles with almost no wicks lower side. This candle, and again a small retracement, again up move. I have basically shared this chart when it before at the morning of this day. Here, let me show you. See, HL. After the bullish belt hold candle formation, I have shared this. Then again it retraced, gave a retracement. Yes, this candle also had good volume. So, but it has surpassed this candle, today's candle. See, let me remove this rectangle. Almost very small wick today. I have tested this trend line today. So maybe there are chances it may give breakout tomorrow, or maybe it will retrace till this level, or maybe this level. Then again we see a good move. So because of this candlesticks, it is generating conviction for me. Or yes, so if if it gave breakout, then I may take position in this. So next stock is, yes, PNB Guilds. Usually I don't share small cap stocks, but the setup is looking very much good, and yes, it has a unique business model, so I shared it. So here you can see it rallied much from like 40 to 45 levels uh, to 90, almost 93 to 95 levels. Yes, more, it doubled in few months, more than doubled. So yes, then retraced, then went in long consolidation, like from August month till December, and after the first week it have started giving good moves. So and today it gave breakout from this range. with good volumes. Yes, have not seen these volumes in last few months since July. And again, a bullish belt hold candlestick. You can, I will suggest you, if you don't know technical analysis that much or price action, or you have not studied charts but you have studied candlestick patterns, that is okay in trading. Yes, you can do BTC trades, because whenever the belt hold candlestick pattern is formed, there is highest probability that next day it will go up the closing price. You can see here this candlestick patterns here. At least half percent or 1% move is possible if market condition is okay type, not a bad one. So yes, that's it for today. Hope you like this video. Take care. Bye bye. I'm taking leave.